What's up, warriors and tech enthusiasts? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving headfirst into the future of warfare, military tech. We're talking robots, satellites, and AI that's rewriting the rulebook of combat. Buckle up because things are about to get intense. When IoT isn't being used for agriculture, it is used by the military. Imagine drones swarming enemy positions, tanks controlled remotely, and soldiers getting real-time intel on their helmets. That's the reality we're hurtling towards. This tech isn't just about winning wars, it's about protecting lives. Imagine pinpointing enemy positions without putting soldiers at risk or using AI to analyze data and make quicker, more strategic decisions. This isn't some sci-fi movie. Governments around the world are pouring billions into military tech. We're talking about a global market expected to reach a staggering $2,100 billion by 2028. That's some serious cash flow. It's not just big corporations in this game. Innovative startups are popping up everywhere, developing everything from wearable health monitors for soldiers to autonomous logistics systems. These disruptive technologies are changing the face of warfare at an unprecedented pace. Alright, enough with the broad strokes. Let's get tactical. Here are some of the most mind-blowing military tech applications we're seeing today. The Internet of Military Things. Imagine a network of sensors on everything from uniforms to vehicles, all feeding real-time data to commanders. This can be used for everything from monitoring soldier health to tracking equipment and supplies. AI in action. AI is no longer science fiction. From facial recognition for identifying threats to predictive analytics for anticipating enemy movements, AI is becoming an essential tool on the battlefield. Geospatial intelligence. Using satellites, drones, and advanced software, militaries can now create a hyper-detailed picture of any location on Earth. This intel is crucial for planning operations and gaining a tactical advantage. Autonomous systems. From self-driving tanks to kamikaze drones, autonomous systems are raising the ethical stakes of warfare. While they offer increased precision and reduced risk, the question of who's ultimately responsible remains. As technology advances, one thing is clear: innovation knows no bounds. The lines between science fiction and reality will continue to blur. Expect to see even more sophisticated robots, hyper-intelligent AI, and weapon systems that operate on a hair trigger. But with great power comes great responsibility. So what do you think? Is military tech a force for good or a recipe for disaster? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Until next time, stay safe and stay curious.